example, a water tank is cylindrical. Base diameter is 28 meter, depth is 7 meter. How many kiloliters? KL means kiloliters of water can it hold? Now, tank is cylindrical. Water tank. You can make the figure. It is cylindrical tank. Base diameter is this. Base diameter is 28 meter. You can find out radius. You can denote radius by small r. 28 by 2, which is 14 meter. Depth, it is the depth. Denote by h. Depth, small h is 7 meter. First of all, we will find the volume of this cylindrical tank. Volume of tank. Write the formula of volume of cylindrical pi r square h. 22 by 7. What is r? R is here 14. Write 2 times. And what is the h? 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are. Now you can multiply 22 multiply by 14 and multiply by 14. 22, 14, 14s are 196. When you multiply 196 with 22, you will find 4312. And what will be the unit? Meter cube. Now we have to convert meter cube into kiloliters, but how? Understand it. One meter cube is 1 kiloliter. And 1 kiloliter means 1000 liter. 1 centimeter cube is 1 milliliter. And 1 by 1000 liters. Because 1000 liters is 1 milliliter. You know very well. And when we cross multiply here, then 1000 centimeter cube is 1 liter. It is the conversion meter cube into kiloliter or liters, centicube in milliliters and liters into milliliter, and centimeter cube in liters. And when we convert this 4312 multiplied by 1 meter cube, and 1 meter cube is 1 kiloliter, we can write 4312 kiloliters KL. It is the answer. And when we convert meter cube or centicube in kiloliters, we write capacity of tank. It means 4300 kiloliter waters can hold this tank. Now next example is, which is very important. When a cylindrical object made with a metal, there will be some thickness of metal. Example is this. The volume of metallic means made with of metal, cylindrical pipe is 748 centimeter cube. Its length is 14 centimeter. Its external radius is 9 centimeter. Find its thickness. First of all, understand this example. When any object made up of metal, how we draw the figure? It is the inner surface. It is the height. When we join, it is the height. It is the inner radius, small r. Inner radius, small r. It is O, it is A. When it made up of metal, it has some thickness. It is the thickness. Both sides. It is the thickness. It is the inner radius. It is the thickness. AB is the thickness. It is the thickness. And we made external cylinder with thickness. How? This type. It is all metal. It is the thickness of metal. It is the thickness of metal. When a cylindrical object made of metal, then this figure will be formed. It is the thickness. How? It is O, it is A, it is B. It is inner radius OA, it is the thickness. AB is the thickness. Now external radius OB. External radius is given. OB is given 9 centimeter. Thickness we have to find out. How? First of all, we have to find out the inner radius OA. From this, because the volume is given, OA we will find, then we will find the thickness AB. How? OB minus OA. It is the thickness of metal. But how? Length is given, it means height is given 14 centimeter. External radius is given. We denote external radius with capital R and inner radius with small r, 9 centimeter. Inner radius small r we will find with the help of what is given. Volume of metallic cylindrical pipe is given. Volume of cylindrical pipe is 748 centimeter cube. What is given? Outer volume minus inner volume is 748, it is given. It is inner circle, it is outer circle. When we will find the area of path, what we outer area minus inner area. Same. When the volume of cylindrical pipe is given, it means outer volume minus inner volume is given. Outer volume pi. Now external radius is capital R. H is the same. Minus pi small r square h is 748. Now with the help of this equation we will find we can take pi h is common. Capital R square minus small r square is 748. We will shift pi h in right hand side in the form of division pi h. We will solve it. How? 748 reciprocal of pi 7 by 22, and what is the h? 14. 7 1s are 7 2s are, and 2 1s are